Hello, beautiful guys, and welcome again to today's very special edition. As we've got here, best tips, on how to style, your pretty short hairstyles, to make them very curly and very attractive, as well as, being, the trend of the day, in all the sense, as well as giving you that incredible look, in fashion sense, and, making you look very, unique and, exquisite in your appearance and beauty as sophisticated and very lovely woman of style and class, worthy of emulation and every sense of style. So guys, it's all about being beautiful. It's all about using the right products as well. As you can see this very lovely product here, which you can buy from at Etsy.com, at Alibaba.com, at Amazon.com, at AliExpress.com, and so many online shops. You can, place your orders now and have them delivered to your doorstep, so you can, you know, look astonishingly, outlandish, with this lovely Babajish hair cream applier, for curly hairstyles of, short, pretty hair, for beautiful women all over the world, irrespective of your tribe, irrespective of your ethnicity or religion. These are wonderful style for you to go with, in 2023 and beyond. So I urge you guys, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell icon on so you always get notified, and do like our videos as well as send in your commentaries. As so, if you have any special requests you want us to know about, let us know, and we'll be very happy and glad to meet them the very best way we can. you know for right now, I'll be right back. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this video to the fullest, because it's got lots and lots of loaded packages for you, to unveil. I'll be right back, guys.
Works both ways and I'm certain. I'm not mad, I'm just disappointed. Cause I'd carry your own for my head. But I'm happy, I walk in the room, I'm so afraid. I've been driving, I ain't slept. Then you said on me, I need a friend for me. Cause I just can't get caught up being weak. Can't put liquor over disagreements. Since you said on me, I walk in the room, eyes on red, and I don't smoke banga. Did you check on me? Did you notice me? And I don't even know half these people at this party, so I'm leaving before I make a mess of me. I walk in the room, I'm so afraid. I've been driving, I ain't slept. Then you check on me. I need a friend for me, cause I just can't get caught up being weak. Can't put liquor over disagreements. Since you check on me, I walk in the room, eyes on red, and I don't smoke banga. Did you check on me? Did you notice me? And I don't even know half these people at this party, so I'm leaving for
How could you ever notice that I'm not okay? You only worry about what you get from me. You're not even giving what you expect from me. So of course the liquor's filling the missing piece. I've been on it for 5 days, going out of my ways. I ain't trying to get showered with all this sympathy. Nobody's calling my phone. I just logged on my page and my inbox is slowly convincing me that people really don't give a damn if you're going through a rough patch. They don't pay a visit but let you pay for a 12-pack. They don't see you but they will see your pockets. Never get you help but you will be a topic. Man, that's the reason why I never vent. I guess I'm better off keeping things to myself. I mean, of course I've been getting stressed. Most of y'all just walls are closing in on me. Thought that I was stronger, but I'm falling down to my knees. I've been drowning in the deep. Take it to the head till I'm woozy. Calling, but I can't reach no one. Try to hold on, yet I keep falling. Put a smile on, so I keep crawling. I guess that they don't know
what is
me.
matter, I can't hide. This was scared, but I've been crying. Red eyes, but no flights. More alcohol, fighting demons with Hennessy. In my feels, need somebody, nobody knows. You show more love online than in person. You don't don't check for me when I'm hurt. The phone works both ways and I'm certain. I'm not mad, I'm just disappointed, cause I'd carry your own for my head. But I'm happy, I walk in the room, I'm so afraid. I've been driving, I ain't slept. Then you said on me, I need a friend for me, cause I just can't get caught up being weak. Can't put liquor over disagreements. Since you said on me, I walk in the room, eyes on red, and I don't smoke banga. Did you say on me? Did you notice me? And I don't even know half these people at this party, so I'm leaving before I make a mess of me. I walk in the room, I'm so afraid. I've been driving, I ain't slept. Then you said on me, I need a friend for me, cause I just can't get caught up being weak. Can't put liquor over disagreements. Since you said on me, I walk in the room, eyes on red, and I don't smoke banga. Did you say on me? Did you notice me? And I don't even know half these people at this party, so I'm leaving for
How could you ever notice that I'm not okay? You only worry about what you get from me. You're not even giving what you expect from me. So of course the liquor's filling the missing piece. I've been on it for 5 days, going out of my ways. I ain't trying to get showered with all this sympathy. Nobody's calling my phone. I just logged on my page and my inbox is slowly convincing me that people really don't give a damn if you're going through a rough patch. They don't pay a visit but let you pay for a 12-pack. They don't see you but they will see your pockets. Never get you help but you will be a topic. Man, that's the reason why I never vent. I guess I'm better off keeping things to myself. I mean, of course I've been getting stressed. Most of y'all just
emotion, walls are closing in on me. Thought that I was stronger, but I'm folding down to my knees. I've been drowning in the deep. Take it to the head till I'm woozy. Calling, but I can't reach no one. Try to hold on, yet I keep falling. Put a smile on, so I keep crawling. I guess that they don't know me. What is matter? I can't hide. It's me scared, but I've been crying. Red eyes, but no flights. More alcohol, fighting demons with Hennessy. In my feels, need somebody, nobody knows. You show more love online than in person. You don't check for me when I'm hurt. The phone works both ways and I'm certain.